Hey everyone, I'm Jess. I'm the head of new media for Prospector, and today I'm going to show you how to use the power of Prospector to quickly and easily create graphics for social media, blog posts, newsletters, and more. So for this example today, I'm going to show you how I created this graphic. This is the global number of copper mining projects by project stage based on Prospector data, which is publicly disclosed data on different stock exchanges. This does not include private companies. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is start your Prospector free trial if you haven't yet. If you already have your free trial, go ahead and log into the web app. But it's easy to start your trial if you haven't. All you do is click the Start Trial button, and then you log in with your first name, last name, email, and company name. You don't even have to put in a credit card, which is fantastic. You can also log in directly through our web app by using the sign up or login process. If you're new to Prospector, create your free account by just clicking sign up. This will allow you to log in with Google, LinkedIn, or Apple credentials. You could also just type in your email address and a password and log in that way. Prospector aggregates public disclosure data and technical documents from multiple stock exchanges, and we have almost 11,000 projects in our ever-growing database. Our AI-powered platform allows users to sort and filter projects based on their criteria. For example, today we will be using copper and project stages. For this graphic, we are going to do global project stages, but you could narrow it down to a specific region or country if you'd like. We're going to do a search for primary copper projects. This isn't going to show projects that are producing copper as a byproduct or secondary product. That's going to narrow down our search a lot more. If you wanted to do total global copper projects, including copper as a byproduct or secondary product, you would use the minerals search tab here instead of the primary commodity here. Now that's showing 1,887 primary copper projects in our database. That's a lot to sort through. So let's go ahead and narrow it down, and let's just look at the United States. That's better. 131 projects is a lot easier to work with, although you could use global if you still wanted to. So now we're going to go through each of the project stages so we can see the number of projects in each stage for our graphic. You can keep track of these in Excel, Google Docs, and more, but since we're only working with 130 projects, I'm going to go ahead and just write them down. You can see here as I'm moving through the project stages that the numbers are changing as well as the locations on the map. If you wanted to know more details about these projects, you can just click on the icon or on the project list. Now that you've quickly and easily found the data for your graphic, you can move on to creating your graphic. I personally like to use a website called Flourish for the amount of options, but you can use Tableau, Canva, or whatever program you're most familiar with. Even Google Sheets works. From here, you enter your data in and create your graphic. It's really easy. So there you go, you've quickly created a graphic. Now, if you want to spice this up a little bit, I like to put it into Canva and add our Prospector branding. Remember, when you're creating data-based graphics, it's important to create proper graphics. Make sure you have a clear headline, axes titles. I also like to add a little blurb at the bottom saying that this data graphic is based off of Prospector data covering publicly traded companies, so it may not represent a full global data set. I also like to put the website name, Prospector, at the bottom. That way people know where they can go and find this data. So just like that, in a matter of minutes, you were able to create a visually appealing graphic for your different needs. Prospector also has data graphics available within the platform itself that might be of interest to you. For example, if you go to a project page, you can export resource and reserve data, production data, and more information about a particular project. But we also have charts available for you that you can easily copy and paste into your presentations, social media, and more. For example, looking at this example project, This is resource and reserve data compared to its peers. So this is a gold project. So the yellow highlights are the resources and reserves for this project, and the blue dots are other gold projects that are similar to this project. So you can see where the project ranks among its peers, which is really visually appealing for corporate presentations and more. At the bottom here, we see resource and reserve changes over time. We can do the same for annual and quarter production as well. If you don't like the look of our reports, that's okay. All of our data can be easily exported to CSV, Excel files, and added to a Google Sheet. So thank you all for joining me. I hope you all enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to quickly and easily make mining data-based graphics. Remember to start your free trial at prospectorportal.com.